So this one is asking to compare the cost of roofing with iron sheets and the roofing with the roofing tiles for a 3-bedroom house. Now, what you have to consider, you don't need to consider only the cost of roofing tiles and iron sheets. You have also to consider the cost of timber. First of all, what you need to put in your minds, for a 3-bedroom house, it takes around 65 to 70 iron sheets when it has no designs, when it is simple. Simple, I mean when it is having no designs, and when the slope is not too high. Then when it is complex and having a raised slope, it will take around 80 to 85 iron sheets for complex designs. Now, what you have to consider is you have already got that it takes 8 iron sheets for that 3-bedroom house. I'm trying to compare when it is having complex designs. Now let us go slow by slow. First of all, you have to consider an iron sheet. This is an iron sheet. Then you also have to consider a roofing tile. That's how I'm trying to illustrate it. The iron sheet standard, it is 3 meter. Then its width is around 0.9 meter, like that. Then roofing tile, it's around 0.2 meter. Then height is around 0.4 meter, like that. So you need to know how many roofing tiles can fit in the area covered by that iron sheet. So you have to know the area of this roofing tile. This is around 0.4 times 0.2. 0.4 times 0.2. 0.4 times 0.2. It's around 0.08 meter squared. Then this one is around 3 meter. 3 meter times 0.9. It's around 2.7 meter squared. So that is the area. So when you divide this one by this one, you will get to know the number of roofing tiles that covers that area of the iron sheet. So 2.27 divided by, when you divide it by 0.08, you will get 33.75, around 34 roof tiles. Meaning that you'll find that in the area where this iron sheet is covering, you'll need 34 roofing tiles. Now we are going to compare the cost. Now we are trying to compare the costs of roofing tiles and the cost of iron sheets. One standard iron sheet in Uganda, but a very nice one, it's around 900. It's around 90,000 UGX, like that. A standard, because it's around 87. What when you try to compare, when you try to relate with other related costs, it's around this figure. For a very nice one, a very nice iron sheet, a standard one. Then when you try to compare with the cost of this roof tile, a roof tile, it's around 3,500 UGX. So when you multiply this figure, 300,500 times 33 times 34, you will see, when you multiply that figure, you will get to know. So when you try to multiply it, you will find that in 15 multiply by 34 ziri around 11,900, like that, which means roof tiles are higher than that one. When you get the difference, minus 9,000, you will remain with 11,10. sorry, we remain with mitwalo ebiri mukenda. So for every area that cover that for every area of this one, it will need an excess of 29,000, like that one. Remember, when you go to cost of timber, since roof tiles are heavy, you'll need to double the number of timber. If timber costed like 4M on iron sheets, it means on roof tiles it will need to cost an extra of 4M. It's be around 8. But there are other costs which I have not neglected, like plain sheets, which you'll need. You also need some costs. Approximately, you'll find that roof tile are higher and higher. They will even double the cost of iron sheets. So if you use like 15M on iron sheets, it means you'll use like 30M on roof tiles.